If you've been seeing those flashy ads for the Qinux ClimaWarm heater claiming it's the Tesla of heaters, that warms your entire room in 90 seconds and cuts your electricity bill by 90%. You're not alone, this thing has taken over the internet. And today we're finding out whether it's a genuine winter lifesaver or just another seasonal scam wrapped in emotional marketing. The ads hit you with a dramatic backstory about a former jet engineer named Marek, throw in fake CNN, unwipe host and MSN logos, and push insane discounts with countdown timers that magically restart every time you refresh the page, creating the illusion of a product that's both revolutionary and in high demand. But when you dig deeper, things start to look very different. The heater itself is basically a tiny plug-in ceramic unit, the same $9 generic model that shows up every winter under new brand names. And the claims of heating an entire room simply don't match the physics of devices. The size, they're realistically only effective for very small spaces or direct personal heating. Users across multiple forums report issues like weak heating, loud noise, cheap build quality, hidden return policies, and even unauthorized charges. While the 5-star reviews on their website appear copy-pasted and cannot be found on any real third-party platform. But to be fair, these mini heaters can offer quick warmth if you're sitting close by, and they do use less power than large heaters, which can be useful for small bedrooms, offices, or personal desks. The problem is not the product itself. It's the exaggerated promises and aggressive marketing that set unrealistic expectations. So, does the Qinux ClimaWarm heater work at all? Yes, but nowhere near the miracle heating solution the ads make it out to be.